Hi, hello, annyeong. If you are looking for nerdy and cool gift ideas, what to buy for your partner or your friends, then look no further. You are at the right place at the right time. In this video, I gathered all the fabulous presents that I received in the last months and also some items that I bought that I will be gifting my friends in the following weeks. There is a little bit from everything, from each genre that you are nerding in, like anime, Formula One, Disney, and whatnot. So there are ideas for each and every one out there. Starting off with a hobby that seems to be forgotten by many is the simple yet super fun puzzling. There is simply no show or game that would not have any puzzle for it. If the friend you are gifting this to is new to this activity, they might get easily bored or frustrated if you give them a huge puzzle in the beginning. So maybe start with a smaller package like 350 pieces or 500 pieces. These smaller ones can be puzzled like in a few hours, whereas the huger puzzles like the ones I got here that have 1,000 or 2,000 pieces would need more time. I usually puzzle in my free time in the evening after work for like half an hour or 1 hour. So I needed like a week to finish the Lion King puzzle here. I have many other puzzles that I have already finished, like some Pokemon themed ones and one Yu-Gi-Oh themed one. And I usually frame them and hang them up in the living room. Prices range from 7 euros to up like 50 euros, depending on how many pieces and from which theme you are buying the puzzles from. The Lion King one cost me 9 euros and the Pokemon themed one cost me 11 euros. Here we have the classic trading card games that of course should not be missing in this collection. Pokemon cards, Magic cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Digimon cards or One Piece cards, as I just discovered recently. There is a variety that you can choose from, like smaller booster packs or tin boxes. The Yu-Gi-Oh packages I bought myself because I just love these editions. The artwork is so cool. I'm such a Yu-Gi-Oh nerd. If I had to choose between all the trading card games that I am collecting, I would definitely pick Yu-Gi-Oh! My mom actually bought me the Magic pack, and even if you have a huge collection like I do, I have over 20,000 Magic cards already, then you can still get some exclusive editions and it basically never gets boring with trading card games. And since we are already talking about trading card games, how about some accessories or add-ons to the game? Like this beautiful playing mat. I bought it myself and I use it when I am sorting my cards or making another deck. I just can't get enough of it. And since I love it so much, I already bought myself a second playing mat. You see this beautiful, super special edition for the 25th anniversary of Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh gosh, I love the gold, the coloring, everything is just so perfect. Not only that, there are many other add-ons you can buy someone that just loves trading card games. Like the sleeves, you would need them for deck building, or if you are playing competitively with other players, you definitely need sleeves that are not see-through. Next we have a deck holder. It can hold up to 4 decks, each having 100 cards. On the right side you can also add your tokens or maybe a dice that you would be needing. So you have everything that you would be needing for a tournament or for a game night with your friends here in one place. It's super high quality, it's silky, it's soft, it feels amazing when you touch the surface. Here we have something super special. I bet you will not guess what this is until I open it. These are like little ability tokens that you can put on your magic cards to symbolize what strengths your magic card has. Like, for example, the trample one. Let's break down the prices. Starting with the normal sleeves without any artwork on it, you would pay about 2 euros to maybe 4 or 5 euros for a huge package of 100 sleeves. If you want to buy a special edition one like the Yu-Gi-Oh! And Kaiba one that I got here, it can go up to 10 or 15 euros. The playing mat usually costs around 15 to 20 euros. The card holder with the different compartments costs usually around 30 to 50 euros, depending on the material that you like silk, leather, etc. The little tokens for the magic cards are handmade in Germany, and you can exclusively find them on Etsy. So if you are interested in those, head to Etsy and type in magic tokens made of wood or something like that, and you will definitely find them. They range from like 50 to 90 euros depending on the size of the box that you are interested in. With Lego, you have different kinds of sets you can buy. This year, for example, is a McLaren Formula 1 car. Next we have the Cherry Blossoms Lego edition. Here we have the super cute Harry Potter edition. It's a set with all the main characters from the movie. Just look at those, how tiny and cute they are. It was so much fun putting them together. But not only that, there are also different Harry Potter themed editions as well. Like for example the owl that you could use on your working station. Apart from Lego, there are many other companies that produce these kinds of bricks. For example, there is a Japanese company called Nanoblocks, and they produce these super cute kawaii Pokemon sets. But be aware, I needed more time to put the Charizard together than all the little Harry Potter figurines combined. The prices range from themes and the number of bricks that you are buying. The little owl set for your working station costs like 5 euros. The Charizard and Bulbasaur one cost 7 euros each. The Cherry Blossoms cost like 12 euros. The Harry Potter set was like 25 euros. And the McLaren Formula 1 car was about 200 euros. Just look at this cute Batman here. You can already guess what the next gift idea would be. Figurines for basically each and every hobby out there. Like all these different kinds of anime figurines. Little Pikachu, little Conan, little Ranma here. Just so cute! Or if your friends are into pen and paper games like Gloomhaven, like Dungeons and Dragons, like Warhammer, then these little gaming figurines would be the perfect idea. They usually come in 2 colors. You can choose between white or grayish, so you can paint them with acrylic color. Depending on the rarity of the items that you are buying, the price may vary from really low to really high. For example, the little Pikachu one cost me only 50 cents, while the little owl here from Baldur's Gate 3 cost me 10 euros. The next category should not be forgotten. This goes out to all our friends who love reading manga. But not just any kind of manga. What I recommend here are some special editions. For example, someone who enjoys the manga Case Closed, or as we call it in Germany, Detective Conan, would love Kaito Kid. It is from the same mangaka, it is also really cute, funny, has the same style, and you know Kaito Kid is in the anime or in the manga from Case Closed or Detective Conan. So this is some sort of a side story, a side character that gets his own storyline. Something else in this universe would be the special editions from Detective Conan, like the Black Edition, the Sherry Edition, the Sports Edition. These are all the cases that have something similar in mind, like the Sherry Edition that I have here in the video, where Sherry plays an important role in the storyline. Another idea would be to gift a manga with the favorite character from an anime or from a manga on the cover of the manga. For example, my favorite character in Dragon Ball Z is Vegeta. I just love this dude so much. I don't own any other Dragon Ball manga at home, but exactly for that reason I bought the one with the Vegeta on the cover for myself. Next are these kind of collectible boxes. They have some beautiful special artwork on the outside, and when you turn it around, you can put all the manga that you have collected so far in it. These kind of special boxes come usually with a gift. So here I got a special display that I have already put together, and it is sitting next to my TV station. But now let's say you have a special case with a hardcore fan who already owns all the manga from a series like Attack on Titan. This was one of the most popular anime and manga in the last decade, so it is understandable if your friend or your partner, or maybe you yourself, do own all the mangas out there. For example, what I bought here in the last Comic-Con that we got here in Germany, it has some side stories from the cadets from the outside, and at this point I don't want to spoil anything, so I will just stop here, but you get the gist. So you could get this as some sort of add-on to the already huge collection that you or your friend own. And did you know there are even more, let's call them specialer editions? If you think about it, there are even non-typical anime or non-typical manga styles out there. What I found here recently is, for example, they took the original idea of the series that you can watch, for example, on Netflix, and adapted it into a anime-esque style for this artwork. It is really something else. It's really a gift for someone who already owns a ton of mangas and is now looking to expand their collection to something really, really new. One of the coolest nerdy gift ideas that I discovered just recently, and I have already gifted a ton of times and I already received a ton of times, are these kind of 3D wooden puzzles. Most of these wooden puzzles have some sort of mechanical elements to it. For example, this calendar here can be mechanically rotated to check for the exact timing and the exact year. Another wooden puzzle that I have already put together is this kind of movie displayer. You would use these kind of things back in the day, like in the 20s or in the 30s, in the theaters, in the movie theaters. So this here is actually so cool. If you rotate it, you can see Charlie Chaplin dancing like a short movie. Next, we got a Formula 1 car. This one I bought to support a local shop here in the region that crafts these kind of wooden puzzles. Lastly, there is this cute cyberpunk robot that if you rotate in the back will sing a song to you. It's a really romantic gift, and with the heart shapes, etc., would fit for a present, maybe for birthday or for the holidays for your partner. These kind of wooden puzzles go for about 30 to 100 euros, depending on the size and the number of pieces that the set would have. For example, the perpetual calendar costs around 20 euros. The camera with the Charlie Chaplin dancing movie in it costs around 50 euros. The Formula 1 racing car costs around 30 euros. And the Robo Cyberpunk costs around 40 euros. Be aware that with these kind of 3D wooden puzzles, there is a difficulty level, so you can check those before buying to make sure that the person you are gifting this to will actually enjoy it. I really do hope this video helped you find some inspiration for your upcoming birthdays or Christmas parties, so that you know what to gift your nerdy and cool best friends or your partner. Have fun with it. Bye bye.